Welcome to Optical Control here at IPC APEX. I'm joined by Todd O'Neill, who's the VP of Business Development. Nice to see you, Todd.
Nice to see you, thank you.
Okay. So, last time we had a look at the machine, the OC scan. It was working very efficiently, but I believe you had some updates to it recently that have improved the algorithms. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure, well this machine, as you know, it's an algorithm-based machine. There's no pumps, there's no nozzles. It's all about software and algorithms, so we're always improving on that. And an advantage we have with our company is we're actually in Germany an EMS company. So we have 4 SMT lines, so we have thousands of reels. We're not borrowing a few reels for testing. We have thousands of reels. We operate 3 shifts a day. So we're always improving on the algorithms. And on the machine now, we've cut the cycle time in half on counting 4 reels. The accuracy's improved. It's 99.9% on most components, including 0105s, 0201s, SOICs. So that's always the focus, is the algorithms, and then continuing ease of use and new features based on customer request.
What sort of cycle time have you brought it down to?
It's always been about 10 seconds. Our advantage really is no matter what we put in the machine, whether it's a 15-inch reel, 7-inch reel, 13-inch reel, a JEDEC tray, a tube, 100 components or 20,000 components, it's always 10 seconds. Right. And I really believe that's the quickest there is. On the quad count, we were at about 24 seconds, and we've got that down to 12 seconds. So that means if you run 4 7-inch reels of any type, mixed and match, it's 12 seconds to count all of them. Right. So we've basically cut the quad count down in half.
So, we've seen before that you're working towards bringing in fully automatic loaders and unloaders and systems like that. Are they going to integrate with storage towers?
Yeah, well, we already can communicate with the software with storage towers like SEGI and the other towers. So we just give them a file and we update their system. So we can already do that, but then what people are wanting to do now is more mechanical integration. So we have a new project that we have coming out that can automatically load the reel inside the machine and then take it out, unload it onto a conveyor belt, a AGV system, or just in a parts bin. So we have to work with everybody on that, but we're already doing it with many people.
And what about those that just want to basically scan it and run? They don't have time to sort of sit here and go through lots of cycles with the tower or the system. Do you have a manual system here?
Yeah, well, the machine actually, you can scan at the machine, do everything there. You can print out a barcode label, put it on the reel if you want. But if you don't want to do it that way and you want to do it later, you can just have somebody scanning on the machine, putting them in a bin, and then you can come over to an offline station and they can just pick up the bin, scan the label. Yep. It brings up the information, and they can actually redo the whole thing, or they can just call up an image of the result from the machine. So you can actually scan the images from here from the beginning, or you can take what's already been scanned on the machine and just call it up at a later time. So you can do the scanning on the machine, take the bin to your parts room, and do it over there.
Do it over there.
Yes.
Okay, interesting.
So it's the same exact software. You can zoom in and look at it. Right. This is an 0201, for example. You can see the part count here. And then it automatically updates whether it's your storage tower or your factory ERP system and so forth.
Excellent. Okay. Well, it's great to see how it's always evolving, and I believe you've had an amazingly good start here, because you only really started here a year ago in the United States.
Yes. Well, I think, as you know, and I hope everybody knows now, we were the first ones ever to make this type of machine, but we officially debuted last APEX, which was March, I think. Since then, we planned on 8 or 10 machines in the first year, but we've easily passed that by at least 4 times maybe. And so it was a very good year. We've hired people. We have some of the best sales reps in the industry. The service team is growing. We're going to be hiring another one. So yeah, the sales have been very, very exciting. Yeah. Yes.
Congratulations. Well, I know you're intimately involved in the development path of this product. So we look forward to seeing the automated systems. Once they're in full production.
Yes, and I'm sure you will. SMT Nuremberg.
SMT Nuremberg. Okay. Well, we'll try. We'll look forward to that. Okay. Thanks very much, Todd.
All right, thank you very much.